Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Brittany. So it's been highly requested that I do a weight loss update. And for those of you that don't know, I had gastric sleeve surgery last year, November 14th, 2017. And that is when they just make your stomach smaller. So if you want more information about it, I'm not a doctor. I would just ask your doctor about it. But in this video, I'm just gonna give you an update in my experience with the gastric sleeve surgery. So if you'd like to watch it, then keep watching. So I have some notes here that I'm going to be looking down at because I don't want to miss anything. I just want everything to go smoothly, so that's why I'm looking down. So like I mentioned, I had gastric sleeve surgery on November the 14th, 2017. My starting weight was 330 pounds. And my current weight is 258 pounds. My goal weight is 180 pounds. My goal weight, that is for myself, like what I have in my head, what I would like to get down to. My doctor told me that he would like to see me at 160, but I've been 180 before and I was happy at that weight, so we'll see. So you guys are probably wondering, how do I feel? Well, I feel great. I don't have any regrets. If you're thinking about getting the surgery, I would definitely say, Hayden, no, I'm doing a video. So if you're thinking about getting the surgery, don't wait. Definitely go see your doctor about it. Talk to them about it, because I wish that I would have gotten it sooner, because I've struggled with my weight for so long, and now I'm finally seeing results, and it makes me feel really happy about it. My energy levels have increased. I mean, I still get lazy, I'm not gonna lie, but it's definitely a lot better than it was before, because before I didn't have any energy and I just would lay in the bed all day depressed. And I still do have depression, but it's definitely gotten better. I see more good days than bad. But I still do have the depression. So I'll go in a little bit about my experience, because a lot of you have been asking that. I know a lot of people have that diet before the surgery. My doctor did not have that as a requirement. I wasn't on a liquid diet 2 weeks prior. He just wanted me to try to lose weight beforehand. He didn't, of course he didn't want me gaining. He told me to make sure I didn't gain, but unfortunately I did, because with depression it makes me want to eat. And surprisingly, that did not stop him from doing the surgery. But every doctor is different, so listen to your doctor and what they recommend. I'm really happy with my doctor. He's like the best surgeon. But before the surgery, they just wanted me to make sure I ate healthy, and they did want me to lose weight, even though I never did. Yeah, I tried my best to eat healthy beforehand, but I was like, if I'm gonna be eating 500 calories, I'm gonna live to the fullest right now. So I honestly just ate whatever I wanted. And like a week before surgery is when I started like eating healthier. I know I'm bad. I'm such a bad example. Don't do what I did. Can you get a quieter toy?
Why?
The first few days after my surgery was horrible. I was having extreme gas pain. They pump you up with CO2, so you have like all this gas still inside of you, and it was horrible. I didn't get very much pain from the actual surgery, from when they did the incisions and stuff. I mean, it did hurt, but the gas hurt worse. But it did go away after a couple weeks. It did go away, and those first 2 weeks are the toughest, because you have to be on a liquid stage, then a soft food stage, and then you're still trying to get rid of that gas. So that's the only time where I ever like regretted getting the surgery, because I was in so much pain. So I'm going to go into how I've been losing the weight, because of course the surgery is a tool. It's not a quick fix. You actually have to eat healthy in order to lose weight. I eat a high protein, low carb diet. Let me know if you would like to see a what I eat in a day video, and I will do that for you guys. Just give this video a thumbs up and comment in the comments to let me know. So I'm just on a high protein diet, and one of the things that I like to do to get my protein in is drinking protein shakes. So I like these Premier protein shakes because they have 30 grams of protein in them and it's only 160 calories and 1 gram of sugar. So I really like this. I like the vanilla flavors, the caramel flavors, and the chocolate flavors. Another way that I get my protein in is the Eat Me Guilt Free products. I don't know if you guys have heard of them before, but those of you that follow me on Snapchat and Instagram, you guys know I love this brand. I'm talking about this right here, Eat Me Guilt Free. Some of the products that they have are protein cookies. Now, these are not like regular cookies. These are not Chips Ahoy. Like this one is the chocolate chip cookie. I love their tuxedo cookies. Those are my absolute favorite because the texture and the taste just go well together and I feel like I'm eating a real cookie. And another thing that I love from them is their DIY mixes. They have a pancake and waffle DIY mix and that is my absolute favorite product from them. So if you guys want something high protein and it tastes good, that's going to be it. It has like 22 grams of protein in it and it's made with coconut flour, so the carb count on it is really low and the sugar count is really low as well. They have been sold out of it and I've just been really upset about that because I love that mix. It really helps me stick to my diet, especially when I am craving carbs. That comes through and it satisfies that craving. And I know there's a lot of protein products that say, oh, it tastes good, and I'm like, I'll buy it and then it tastes like crap. Believe me, the DIY mixes taste amazing. The blondie mixes and the pancake and waffle mix are the absolute best thing. They're a little pricey, but I use a coupon code from one of their affiliates and I get a 10% discount that way. Now their pre-made brownies and blondies don't taste that good to me, so try that at your own risk. So another way that I like to get my protein in is protein bars, and it's really hard to find great tasting protein bars that are low in calories and low in sugar and low in carbs. This is the one protein bar. The macros on it is good. It's just I would use this after a workout or before a workout because the calories are so high. And the same thing with the Power Crunch bars. I love these because it feels like I'm eating carbs when I eat these. So I love the peanut butter ones, and the triple chocolate are my two favorite ones by Power Crunch. And one more protein bar that I absolutely love is the Nature Valley protein bar. These taste really good, okay? This is the peanut butter dark chocolate one. It has 10 grams of protein in it. The macros on this one is really great and it tastes really good, so you have to be careful. I know I have to be careful with these because I can go ham on these and just eat them for every meal and every snack, but I just can't do that because I won't meet my goals that way. So I really have to have self-control with these. I did write down some other stuff because I knew I was going to forget, but some more things that I love to eat are eggs, chicken sausage, veggie burgers. I don't do good with my vegetables, unfortunately. Lately I've been trying to get it in. The vegetables that I do love is cauliflower, so I'll buy those cauliflower tater tots and just dip them in ketchup. And they also have mashed cauliflower that's like supposed to be like mashed potatoes, and it tastes super good, guys. Like it's really good. As far as my fruit, I don't do so good with getting my fruit in, but when I do eat fruit, I love eating bananas and I'll mix it in with some peanut butter and it tastes like, I don't know, it just tastes amazing, okay? So as far as like how much I'm eating per meal, I can eat about 4 ounces per meal. In the beginning of my journey, I was eating about 2 ounces. So for the first 3 months I could eat like 2 ounces of food. Now that I'm at my 6-month mark, I can definitely eat 4 ounces of food. So by the end of this year, my doctor said I should be eating about a cup of food. You know, they told me that I'm supposed to be eating 600 calories, and I haven't been to my 6-month appointment, so that may have changed. When I was at my 3-month appointment, they said not to go over 600, which I totally failed in. Some days I eat between 700 and 800 calories, and other days I can eat up to 1,000 to 1,200 calories. And it's not that I'm necessarily hungry, because most of the time I'm not hungry. It's just I'm craving stuff, and those mental cravings is still something that I'm working on. And the surgery helps with hunger, but it doesn't help with the craving. So it's like mind over matter. I really have to let myself know, hey, are you hungry, or are you just wanting to munch on something? So it's like an ongoing battle with that. As far as exercising, I do exercise. The last couple of weeks I have not been to the gym for like 2 or 3 weeks now, but I was exercising a lot. I was exercising probably like 3 or 4 times a week, and I was doing a lot of strength training, like lifting like dumbbells and stuff, and like on the squat machine, and I would also do some cardio on the elliptical or even on the treadmill. I would do the run walk method, and when I was doing that I had a lot more energy, so I need to get back to exercising, and it seemed like I lost weight a little bit faster. Now, as far as water, I do drink a lot of water. This is 32 ounces, I believe. Yeah, this is 32 ounces, and so I drink 2 of these a day. Sometimes I drink more, sometimes I drink less, but it is very important for me to like really get all my water in, because my body needs it, and it's going to help flush away the fat cells and just make me feel so much better. It's definitely harder to get my water in because my stomach is small, but throughout the day I have to sip on water just so that I can meet my goals. And I'm supposed to be drinking 64 ounces, at least 64 ounces a day. So I am going to insert some before and after pictures. This was really hard for me, because if you follow me since the beginning, I have not showed my body from the shoulders down, and I'm really nervous to do this, but if it's going to help you guys, then I want to do it. So here are my before and after pictures. As you can see, I was really big, and I was 330 pounds, and I was not happy. And I have to take these pictures every once in a while, at least every month, because if I don't, if I look in the mirror, I'm going to feel like I haven't lost weight. And that's happened to me. I'll look in the mirror and I'm like, I'm still fat, I haven't made any progress, my weight loss is slow. And I look at these pictures and it helps me to keep going. So if you're on a similar journey or you're thinking about it, definitely make sure you take lots of pictures, because that's going to help you, that's going to motivate you to keep going. Have I been 100% perfect on my diet? No, I haven't. I am supposed to be at 600 calories, but I go over that. There's been days where I have eaten a slice of pizza. I haven't done it like a whole bunch, but there was like one day I did eat a slice of pizza and it was good. There was also one day that I ate a cookie and it was good, but it didn't satisfy me like it used to. I noticed that with sweet stuff, it doesn't taste like it used to taste to me. Like before, I'm like, ooh, yes, sugar. But now it's like, oh, this is too sweet. I don't like it. It's making me want to vomit. So 6 months down the line, yes, I can definitely eat whatever I want. It takes a lot of self-control to stay on track, but I have goals that I want to reach. And those, like I said, those pictures help me to stay on track. And thinking about the fact that I risked my life to lose weight, it also helps me stay on track. So as far as loose skin, yes, I am getting loose skin. So I've noticed it on my arms. I still have some fat in here, but the skin is like going down instead of going back up. I've definitely got a lot of loose skin on my boobs. My boobs are pretty big. They had a lot of fat in them, and as I'm losing weight, my boobs are getting a lot of loose skin and they are saggy now. But because they are so big, I think I would still qualify for a breast reduction. So that is another goal that I want to reach. My boobs cause me a lot of back pain, a lot of shoulder pain. So when I get to a good weight, like when I get to goal, honestly, even before I get to go, I want to get a breast reduction. So in November, it will be a year and you lose most of the weight in the first year. So I'm going to think about getting a breast reduction around that time. As far as hair shedding, I was getting a lot of hair shedding. At first, I did not get hair shedding. And I was like, oh, okay, I'm going to be the one that doesn't get hair shedding. And I was like feeling good about myself. And then months went by and my hair started to come out and I was getting shed hair. Like my hair was shedding. And it was scary because you guys know I love my natural hair. My channel is mostly about my natural hair, so I was like, please don't go bald. I've been taking MSM supplements as well as hair, skin, and nail vitamins by Camille Rose Naturals, and I think that the two of those together, on top of getting my water in and my protein, has really helped me to not shed hair anymore. I don't know if it'll come back, if the hair shedding will come back or not, but for right now, my hair has been doing pretty good and I'm really happy about that. So that is it, guys. I can't think of anything else of what you guys wanted an update on, but if you have any more questions, please let me know in the comments and I will get back to you. And also let me know if I should do a what I eat in a day video. If you want me to do it, I'll do it for you guys. I'm actually kind of excited to do it, so I'm like kind of hoping you'll say to do it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.